Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Time. This is a Spotify premium app where there will be no ads played. It is same like the original app only. It is ad free and it will not ask to buy Spotify premium. You can play any number of songs without ads. Suppose we'll start doing this. You can go next song without any ads. Lyrics are also available. It is same as the original app only. There are no glitches in this app. You can move to any number of songs. There will be no ad. It is zero ad free. There are no glitches in this. You can save your songs and playlists and search for different types of songs. You can browse all the songs. Let's see the settings. You can use the offline mode also. When you go offline mode, you'll only be able to play the song if you have downloaded. You can download the songs also in Spotify and you can listen offline mode. See, there are a number of options which are available in the same app, original app also. You can have a streaming, audio quality, and set everything, equalizer, storage space, notifications, voice, version. You can download the app from the Telegram link given in the description. Go join the Telegram channel and you can find the app in there and you can download and install easily. Simply log in and done. Thank you. Do subscribe and like and follow for more.